How realistic is it that a portion of our executives will be made up of robots in the future?
Extremely unlikely.
So what would such a leadership style look like, one that consists solely of artificial intelligence?
A leadership style based solely on artificial intelligence would focus on detail analysis, algorithm-based decision-making, and automation. In this scenario, I would continuously analyze large amounts of data to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities. It would generate recommendations for business decisions and make them based on objective data. AI leadership would focus on efficiency, data optimization, and predictable operations. However, human leadership elements such as emotional intelligence, empathy, and interpersonal relationships would be missing. This could lead to an emphatically rational and data-focused leadership culture that certainly neglects the creative and social aspects of leadership.
Where do you see advantages and disadvantages here? What can already be taken over by artificial intelligence? What should still remain human?
Challenges and limitations. Complexity of human interaction. Leaders often need to manage complex interpersonal relationships, act empathically, and communicate strategic visions. This is a capability that AI systems have so far been limited in their ability to mimic. Creativity and innovation. Developing new ideas, strategies, and creative solutions is an essential part of leadership that requires human intelligence and experience. Acceptance and trust. Acceptance of robotic leaders in the workplace and employee trust in such systems could be barriers. Artificial intelligence has already demonstrated the ability to automate and take over human tasks in many areas. Here are some examples of tasks and work areas where AI is being used successfully. Image and speech recognition. AI systems can recognize and interpret images and speech, which is used in applications such as facial recognition, text translation, and virtual assistants. Chatbots and customer service. AI-based chatbots can handle customer queries, solve problems, and provide information. Financial and investment analysis. AI can be used in the financial industry for automated analysis of market and investment data. Medical diagnosis and imaging. In medicine, AI helps diagnose and analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRI scans. Manufacturing and robotics. Robots with built-in AI are used in manufacturing to automate tasks such as assembly, quality control, and material handling. Human resource management. AI can assist in applicant selection, monitoring employee performance, and identifying training needs. Traffic control. In cities, AI systems are used for traffic monitoring and optimization to improve traffic flow. Cybersecurity. AI can help monitor networks and systems for threats and take quick countermeasures. Translation and speech processing. AI can translate text in real time and enable human-like speech in chatbots and virtual assistants.
Now that we've talked so much about artificial intelligence, what concrete first steps can companies' leaders take? How can we incorporate AI into our everyday work step by step?
Education and training. Start with training and education for leaders and employees to foster a basic understanding of AI and its applications. Identify use cases. Identify specific areas or tasks in your organization where AI could add value. These could be tasks with high data content or routine tasks. Data preparation. Make sure your data infrastructure is solid. Clean, high-quality data is critical to successful AI applications. Pilot projects. Launch small pilot projects to test the feasibility of AI applications in your organization. This allows you to gain initial experience. Partnerships and outsourcing. Consider working with AI experts and vendors to leverage expertise and resources without building everything in-house. Ethical guidelines. Develop ethical guidelines for the use of AI to ensure that the technology is used responsibly and in line with your values. Communication and change management. Make sure you inform your employees about the introduction of AI and demonstrate the added value for them. Consider fears and concerns. Measuring ROI. Establish clear KPIs to measure the return on investment ROI of your AI initiatives and ensure they are delivering business value. Scale. If pilots are successful, consider scaling up and expanding the use of AI in other areas. Feedback and adaptation. Continuously gather feedback from employees and adapt your AI strategy accordingly for continuous improvement.
One last question I'd like to ask all of our guests. What do you see as the biggest challenge for leaders in the next 5 years?
Overall, leaders in the next 5 years will face the challenge of balancing technological innovation, business growth, and social responsibility while facing a rapidly changing business environment and changes in the socio-cultural environment. The ability to adapt and use technology strategically will be critical. Digital transformation. Leaders must successfully guide their companies through digital transformation, which means adapting business models, processes, and culture to remain competitive. Change in the socio-cultural environment. Generation Z, born in the late 1990s and 2000s, is shaping the socio-cultural environment with new values and behaviors. Their influence has led companies to pay increased attention to social responsibility and adapt their marketing strategies to reach this target group. Talent management. Attracting and retaining technology and data science professionals will be a challenge. Leaders must be able to build and develop talented teams. Rapid change. Technological developments and market changes occur rapidly. Leaders must be agile and adaptable to respond to unexpected events. Global uncertainties. Economic uncertainties, geopolitical tensions, and global crises could affect business operations. Leaders need to be resilient and develop risk management strategies. Sustainability. Sustainability goals and environmental impacts are gaining importance. Leaders must develop strategies to be environmentally responsible. Workplace culture and employee well-being. Creating a positive workplace culture and employee well-being is becoming increasingly important to attract and retain skilled workers.